So coming in the couple days after Foxboro Supercross, we have some funny, what I think is funny news, and some fines being handed out. So we're gonna talk about the two of them. So the first we're gonna talk about is actually we'll do this one first. Is Rule 4.26.I-1.1, which states at the conclusion of the main event, the top 5 finishing riders and their motorcycles must go directly to a staging area located at the podium. Other riders outside the top 5 may be directed to the podium staging area. And then, the sanctioning side of it is failure to go to the designated podium staging area result in a $1,000 fine. Further infractions of this rule result in an increased fine at race direction's discretion. It's hard to say. So obviously, 1 through 5 all have to go to the podium. And then you're gonna, if your race winner ends up 10th, they're gonna pull him up anyways, or not race winner, your points leader, because obviously he's the points leader, which was Eli Tomac, and he probably just said, "Do you know what? Screw it, I don't care. I'm going onto my trailer and getting done." So he gets a $1,000 fine for that, which to me is kind of stupid. It's like, who cares if he's there? They don't interview the 4th or 5th guy, so why pull in another one? Oh well. And the other funny one, this is the one that I find funny, is Malcolm Stewart for violated Rule 4.19.b and was fined $1,000. Let's see here. It's basically saying this rule is, in regards to a rider or crew member relieving themselves anywhere other than a fixed or portable restroom. So and the B part of this, riders or crew members observed to be relieving themselves anywhere other than a fixed or portable restroom will be fined a minimum of $1,000. So, Malcolm Stewart, or I guess it could be somebody else, relieved themselves somewhere they shouldn't have, and they were caught doing so. This is stupid things that, this one obviously you don't want riders just peeing anywhere they want, because obviously places like this you get kids coming in, and obviously you don't want people peeing or relieving themselves anywhere, because obviously it's kind of disgusting if you're doing it inside hallways or whatever. But this one I can understand. The Eli Tomac one I just think is funny, because it's we're gonna fine you for not being able to interview you. But the comments below tell me what you think, dude. Obviously, yes, the Malcolm one I think makes sense, but do you really think that Eli Tomac deserved a fine for this? I honestly don't think so, but, down in the comments, tell me. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.